Hey, what's up you guys? It's Rachel. I'm back today with another 90-day update on a box that I got from Jomar. If you're new here, so I am a part-time reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, and I get inventory from a variety of places, but anytime I order from an online source like Jomar or Boutique by the Box or ThredUp or anywhere that I get from, I initially do an unboxing and then I come back 90 days later to let you guys know how the stuff that was in the box actually performed after 90 days. So I will put the link to the original box up here, but I'll tell you right now, if you watch it, you know, I was not happy with this box when I first opened it, but I promised you guys a 90-day update, so here we are. Now, if you like content like this, certainly subscribe to my channel. I give you guys 90 days updates on every box I unbox, and I do lots of other reseller content like thrift hauls and what sold videos and all of that to help you with your own strategy and share what works for me so that hopefully you can draw from it and find what works for you. So definitely subscribe. If you like videos like this, drop me a like. It would really help my channel. I really appreciate it. All right, so I will go through this box with you, sharing on the side here what the item is, what it sold for, how much it sold for, and where I sold it on, and how long it was listed for. So this was a American Eagle, Abercrombie & Fitch, and Hollister branded, brand-specific box from Jomar. So it was advertised as pre-loved, and it was, I don't remember how many pieces it was, but I ended up listing 16 of the pieces out of that box. I paid $89-ish for the box. Once I decided what out of that box I was actually going to list, I was able to break it down an average cost per item. So I have $5.57 per item. So I'm gonna go in order from the most profitable item to the least profitable item, and then I'll kind of talk about what I still have left that's listed and what I think of the box overall. So 16 items out of this box got listed, or I had 16 listings out of this box. Number one to sell was this pair of boyfriend shorts from Abercrombie & Fitch, and that's not surprising. They're totally on trend. It was it was May when I listed them. So not surprising to see that these sold so quickly. I did sell them for $27 on Poshmark. I was offering free shipping though at the time, so my profit here was $8.58. Next up, and actually the next three items, you guys know I've been having this issue if you've been watching my 90-day recaps. Anything that sells quickly on eBay, if I don't make the video right away, I kind of lose the screenshot because eBay only shows 90 days, a history for 90 days, and then it goes away. So the next three items, I do not have a screenshot to show you, but I will run through them. I had a pair of skinny jeans from Hollister. They were a size 9. I sold for $16.99 on eBay. Those sold within 2 weeks. I had a pair of jeggings from American Eagle. They were destroyed, also sold on eBay for $15. And then I had a pair of super stretch jeggings. Those were a size 00. Those also sold on eBay for $15. And they all sold within 2 weeks of being listed. I'm a little late making the video. That's why I don't have the screenshots. But honestly, those three pieces performed as expected. They sold about as quickly as I would have expected. I got about the right amount of money that I would have expected for what they were. Next up are these mid-rise bootcut jeans from Abercrombie. I sold them for $20 free ship on Poshmark. They took a while, not surprising because they are bootcut jeans. They're older style. I didn't get much for them. $20 free shipping. Basically, I broke even. I made $2.98. Yeah, so there was only like 3 items where I profited, and the rest of this is making my money back. So let's keep going. There was a pair of low-rise denim shorts from American Eagle. Again, I don't have a screenshot, so you won't see anything here, sorry. But those sold for $10.50 on eBay. I made $2.83. This nice, I almost kept this for myself actually, this tie-dye shirt. It ended up selling on Kitizen for $8.50 with free shipping. I made $1.23. It was listed over a month. It didn't have much other interest. I went ahead and took an offer that was made. This tan shirt, again, it was cute, but it sold on Mercari for $7. I literally broke even. My spreadsheet here says I made 3 whole cents on that one. I mean, that's one of those things, like, it's not worth more than that, right? I did have a couple things. So some of this, listen, you guys, I hated this box then. I don't like, this was not a good box. I'll just say it right now. A lot of the stuff, I mean, and they were like Abercrombie and Hollister or whatever. Thankfully, it was all the same size, but it was so out of style. Like, it was out of date. It was not even, I only listed it for the sake of potentially recovering some money. But this lot, I auctioned off on eBay after 2 months. I auctioned it off and it went for 99 whole cents. So I lost money on that. I wanted to get rid of it. Like, it was not, if you think about it, I averaged out that I spent $5.57 on that lot. But I totally knew I wasn't gonna get anything for it. I'm surprised it even sold at auction. I figured it was worth a shot though, so. And then this tank top, again, sold at auction, 99 cents. Not worth it. I have a few things that are still listed, 4 pieces. I've got this other pair of mid-rise bootcut jeans that are not going anywhere anytime soon, I bet. This shirt, it's like a tiered waffle knit shirt, super cute. I'm hoping that for fall, I can get rid of this, hopefully soon. Fingers crossed. I delisted it and relisted it recently, so. This jegging sweater, again, I'm hoping that with the bright colors, those saturated colors coming back this fall, maybe there's some hope for this guy. I'm not surprised I didn't sell it in the middle of summer, so okay. And then this other pair of high-rise jeggings, they sent me 2 of these. 1 sold on auction, 1 is still listed. Don't have high hopes for those. So that's the whole box. There were a few things, obviously, I didn't list from this box. Yeah, so my total sale price on this, I have made $90.42 off this box, which means my total profit after 90 days, $1.30. So woohoo, I made my money back, which quite frankly, I didn't even think I was gonna do that. I mean, this box was not ideal. I don't wanna say it wasn't good. It wasn't good for reselling. I think for me, Abercrombie, Hollister, and American Eagle can all do well. They're brands I love. That's why I bought this box. I knew what I was getting, I guess, brand-wise. There were a couple pieces, like maybe five, that I would have paid $5.57 for at the thrift store. And that's the thing. And I think that's the lesson to be learned here. All 3 of those brands do well in their own right, but the cost per item was way too high. And the items in the box, although they were branded, except for 1 piece, if you watch the video, was not even American Eagle. It was American something, who knows what. It wasn't supposed to be in there. But aside from that, the brands were what they were supposed to be. They just, you gotta be selective with these brands. For the right piece, maybe I would pay $5, $6. For most of this stuff that I didn't get to hand select, I wouldn't have picked it up. And so this really was not worth, this box was not worth the money. If I saw this box listed on Jomar's website, I would not pick it up again. I would stick to picking up selective pieces in this brand at the thrift store, which is how I'm gonna do well. Not to say that Jomar's all bad. No, I'm not saying that. If you go watch my other videos, I've had plenty of successful boxes from Jomar. This just wasn't it. And I think it just goes to show, like, those tried and true brands, you gotta select yourself. So I hope you found this helpful. And if you did, drop me a like. Please drop me a like. And if you're still watching, thank you very, very much. I hope to see you again in another video. Let me know what you think. Have you ever ordered this box from Jomar, or do you normally source these brands yourself? I would love to hear if somebody else had a different experience with this box specifically. Let me know in the comments. And again, thank you so much for watching. I will catch you in the next one.